In this video, please follow my camera as we explore this premium upgraded MC15 brass excavator. First, we need to install a battery, which we've already done here. To start this excavator, open the cabin door. You'll find a one-touch start button right next to the driver's seat, but make sure to turn on the remote controller before pressing it. Once we hit the one-touch start, we can go ahead and close the cabin door. Notice the special feature of this cabin door. It uses a sliding track design. Most standard cabin doors open by swinging forward or backward, unlike the sliding mechanism on this model. This premium upgraded MC15 brass excavator is equipped with a 2-pump 9-channel hydraulic system. To operate it, we first need to turn on the hydraulic pump via the remote controller. The left joystick controls the main boom, while the right joystick handles the dipper arm and the bucket. The mid-arm operation is controlled by rotating the left joystick. It might look like a 3-arm setup during operation, but it's actually a 4-arm system because there's an extra hydraulic cylinder in this section. Let's take a closer look at this cylinder. As you can see, this specific cylinder actually controls the left and right swing of the bucket arm. Now, let's put it into action. Next, we'll fully extend the entire arm. And there we go. The whole digging arm is fully extended. Now let's do some digging. Notice the bulldozer blade right underneath it. All right, let's dig up some sand. And that wraps up our digging session for this video. If you're a fan of this MC15 brass excavator, make sure to follow us. In our next video, we'll be diving into its details and all the fun stuff it can do.